The price of inaction is far greater than the cost of making a mistake. Meister Eckhart. Hello to you from Rhonda Schaefer, hailing from Fairport, New York. Be awesome today. Sitting back and waiting is a dangerous thing. Be ready to act. As you know, these are disruptive times, ripe for opportunity for us to blossom and grow. What have you been putting off? Times of disruption are full of danger and change. Nobody's job is secure. A once essential service you thought you were is no more. Are you feeling humbled in a job we only get paid for? What value we create for our employer? Try to create a world where you are CEO and captain of your path, not the ship's mate. Patience is a path to action. If a ball player gets benched, he puts good use to that time by figuring out how he put himself there. He studies his opponents too. There's always something to learn. Our hands have been tied for months to get out and about as we please. This has been the worst time to sit back and do nothing or to get stressed out over the manipulative, negative news. Read a book, journal, watch an inspiring movie, and tell yourself that you are great too. Focus on what you can change and not on things out of your control or out of your sphere of influence. With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. Be awesome today, and thank you for watching this live. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.